We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.